Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to replace the fuse in a Garmin GPS power supply cable, car charger or car power cable. So this particular model is a Garmin TA20, but this procedure is the same with TA10, TA20 and most other Garmin car chargers, including GTM26, GTM26, GTM36, GTM65HD and so on. Alright, so this is how you do it. If you notice, in the tip of this there are two notches. You have to push those notches down and twist them counterclockwise to open it. So all you need is a long nose plier like this. You apply pressure downwards and twist counterclockwise and the unit opens like that. Once it's open, you could change the fuse, take the fuse out, put the good fuse in, and you take this one back, push it down and twist it clockwise for closing it back. Oops. Alright, so there you go. So now this is closed. Let me give it another try because I don't think it closed very well. There, this is much better. So you push it down counterclockwise to open, push it down clockwise to lock, and that's how you replace the fuse. Thank you for watching. I hope this was informative.